Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to test your home Wi-Fi speed on this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to go to Settings, then to this tab Connections and Wi-Fi. Here, click on these three dots on the right corner and choose Intelligent Wi-Fi. Then scroll to the end of this page, and to open these connectivity labs that you can already see, you would need to click on this button Intelligent Wi-Fi 7 times. Unfortunately, this is unable to disable this function, so you can see I have already turned on this function. After you have clicked 7 times, you'll be able to see this button. We would need to go there and now find this button, which is named Home Wi-Fi Inspection. Click on it and click Start. After this, you would need to choose your name of your Wi-Fi. Here is it. And then click Next. Then click Next and Start. Now you would need to take your phone and walk around your home to find the weak signal spots. So, if we would take a close look on this graphic, we will be able to see this line which is named weak signal level. After you will find a place in which the speed drops to this line, it means that's the weakest spot of your home where the Wi-Fi doesn't work really well. So, after you find that spot, you would need to remember it and try to change position of your router or even change your internet provider so you'll have normal Wi-Fi connection at all of your house. And that's it. Now you know how to find the best spot for the Wi-Fi in your home. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.